You have to empower your people, but you have to hold them accountable. The process should empower the person, and it should also have checks and balances. One of the things that's so simple, but we do in-process photographs. We in-process after it's torn down, in-process when the body man has completed what he's doing before it goes to the paint shop, as an example. From the paint shop, once they've completed, back to reassembly. We take pictures throughout. We want to document the repair process. But those are great indicators to have someone else put another set of eyes on it, like our repair planner, an estimator, and say, hey, wait a minute, maybe you didn't catch this, or maybe you forgot this, or hey, did you look at your sheet? And then we actually have to sign off on it with a checklist. For instance, did we check the lights? Did we post scan it? There's a lot of things. Did we cover the vehicle? Was there any overspray on it? All these things. We have a checklist because I'm older, I forget. So that kind of helps us to remember, oh yeah, I needed to go check the door locks after I put it back together. And then I have to sign off on that. Yes, I checked the door locks and made sure that they went up and down. I checked and made sure that when I put it in reverse, the camera came on. Those really help ensure that we catch everything up front, because things happen, but I'd rather catch it before it goes to detail and the customer comes to pick it up than after the vehicle's already been delivered. One of the things that we do is date timestamp when the repair procedures are pulled, because as you know, the engineers came up with a better way of doing it, or they may have changed a process. So we want to make sure that we pull the repair procedures as of this date. This is what was relevant, and this is how we repaired the vehicle, right? And we want to share that with the customer. We want them to feel good about the repair. We want to take the mystery out of it. We want them to do their due diligence and their homework and really feel like they got a good product, they got a good experience. Our dealer group, it was founded and continues to grow on providing an exceptional customer experience. And we say, while generating a fiercely loyal following that loves to think young. You do that one customer at a time, one repair at a time, one vehicle at a time, right? So you have to slow down, slow is smooth, smooth is fast, and go through the proper steps, make sure the customer understands what happened. We invite people back into our shop. We want them to see. We want them to meet the technician. I mean, it's there, right? So it takes the mystery out. What's going on back there? Well, this is what's going on. And by the way, here's some photographs of your in-process repair, and this is the stage that it's in. So it takes a lot of the mystery out, makes them feel a little bit more comfortable about what we're doing.